We're on the western boundary of, or on the western edge of this La Torre target area, and what we're doing is in the initial follow-up of the stream sediment sampling. This is a map of antimony, the warm colors being the areas of enrichment of antimony in the streams. And we're going in to follow up on these to see where those enrichments of these various elements are coming from, and try and put together the puzzle pieces that will allow us to develop an exploration concept and an exploration target for this area. So this is antimony. We're in one of these streams over here, and we see the same areas lighting up with the other volatile elements such as arsenic. So what we're going to be doing is just going up the stream, looking for blocks, and then once we're orientated in what we're finding, we're going to leave the stream and start looking for outcrops.
This breccia is full of manganese oxide. The original mineral was the rhodochrosite. Rhodochrosite is a manganese carbonate. And rhodochrosite is a very important mineral in the Fruta del Norte mineralization.
Spectacular silica again, and all the cavities filled with this hematite after sulfides. So the sulfides have been oxidized and leaving this hematite behind. But that sound is the scratch of the silica in the background. Sweet sound.
We have here again a vuggy silica, and this one has been so intensely leached out that the rock is extremely light. It means that only a sponge of silica remains, and all the rest of the rock has been dissolved by the acid solution.
Oh,
I think everywhere here,
Yeah.
it's the material.
yeah. Okay, so
Well,
this ridge is
I think it's the outcrop.
a vuggy silica,
this is
vuggy
the
silica,
I
and
think
it's
it-
spectacular vuggy
Because
as well. with
we
all
have
this.
absolutely no
hematite.
other rocks. Just on the other side we have this mixing with the sediment, and
Yeah.
here it's only this.
Yeah, and right on the top, you saw that relatively soft sediment that had that odd
Yes.
little bit of veining going into it. So that's the cap to the system, and we're just beneath it. Yep.
Okay, this is a quartz vein, and this is a vuggy silica. This quartz vein is a banded quartz vein. It means that it's not only one piece of quartz, but it's a succession of quartz layers, and all of these quartz layers are corresponding to a pulse of the fluid that is transporting the silica. It's very, very characteristic of epithermal systems.
So this crest is about as close as to the outcrop as we can get. So when we're doing the soil survey here, what we had planned, 200-meter line spacing with 50 meters between the samples. I think with this topography and this much vegetation, everything, and this steepness, we need to go to a 25-meter spacing up over the ridge. and maybe 100 meters between the lines, because it's going to take a little bit to get down through this all this vegetable matter and this compost to that nice orange soil that captures the minerals really well.